Check this out. This is an AI app that can generate a YouTube short script. Also, you can build an informative chatbot app like this. That AI explain you some very complicated ideas, like the Big Bang Theory. And this is not all. You can also build an AI image app generation app. Just simply click Generate button that can turn into your simple text into reality photo, like visual videos. Head over to Anakin.ai, which can help generate contents, image, and voices. So when you click the Launch app, you'll see more and thousands of apps. So we focus on the Quick app. Once you are in, find yourself your personal workspace and click Create app to start. You'll see 3 options to choose: Quick app, Chatbot, and Advanced app. Today we focus on Quick app. Just name your app and click Continue, and now you can start to customize your own app. First, we define an input field. Let's name it Input app as Topics. So from the drop-down menu, select the long text option. Now you can input that with your prompt. Prompt can be understood as what role you want AI to play, what you want AI to do, what topics the YouTube short script titles could be. Now hit Generate. Let's see automatically generated. If you want to try other AI models, select the different AI models from the drop-down list, like Cloud 3, Sonnet, and Generate again. So if you are satisfied with the results, just save it to your workspace and on the top right, and you can see your app on your own workspace. Now head back to your workspace and you'll find your app there. Click the App Store. You'll see all these apps covering all different industries and user cases, including writing, programming, education. I recommend you utilize this app, like pre-built app. You find this already more powerful pre-built app for YouTube short video. So you can confirm the material and duration of the video and then hit Generate. And it will generate a more rich contents of the YouTube scripts. If you want to experience different contents and different output of the AI models, select the AI model from the drop-down list and hit Generate. It can create another one and then with different style. See how it provides, and you can edit the materials and durations. See all the details are here. If you would like to refine it and add more contents here, just click the right corner button, Clone to edit. And then on the left part of the screen, you see the prompt show up. So now you can change the durations, the general, and the topic. Make whatever changes you would like to make. Then go back to the Generate button. You are able to review all the changes you made, and feel free to tailor it until you are satisfied. Now you are done with the customizing with your own AI app. Save it again to your workspace. If you find those AI app is very interesting and helpful, please don't hesitate to share it with your friends. Anakin.ai. Just copy the link and share it with your friends. If they sign up through your link, you will be rewarded 200 credits. Congratulations, you just learned how to create your AI app with using Anakin.ai. Now it's your turn. This is Anakin.ai. You can bring your own ideas and make your own AI app. Anakin.ai also supports more complicated workflow app to make your creative ideas into reality. If you found this helpful, please share with your friends and others and who might think it's very useful. Thanks for watching.